All right. I just heard these are the FedEx man. Oh, what do we got? What in the world is that? Boys, it's about time. It's gonna be going down tomorrow. BRC, baby. Time to start the build. All right, everybody. This is the mighty 13300 XC, but it's getting ready to do a total transformation. The big 990. This thing is going to be unreal in just a little while. We're going to start doing the tear down today, separate all the parts, get the frame and the radiator sent off, and we're going to go from there. Just my first trail ride. Whoa. Take some adjustment. Time I cleared out all these tables and this workbench. It's going to be full of all the parts. Try to get her done. Need to get on that mountain bike right there a little bit too. But about another hour and a half, I'll have the bike fully stripped down, and I'll show you all that stuff, plus all the mod stuff that we're going to do. Got it all tore down. Got some stuff covered up because you can't see it till it's done. Exhaust, pretty much all the electrical, swing arm, shock, forks, handlebars, Mako 360s, booyah. Got to get them. All the coolant stuff, pegs, running the Mojo. There's a subframe, or the whole frame, excuse me. And then, believe it or not, that tiny little thing powers that monster. She's a beast, but she's going to be even better. Cannot wait. On this build, so the Cherbys frame guards, chain block kit. So you got all your sliders for your swing arm and the bottom of the swing arm. All KTM bearings, going to replace pretty much every bearing on the bike. Steering stem, linkage, swing arm, just make sure it's all fresh. Going with the Mika Metals, the hybrid rear sprocket. I think it's a 50, yeah, it's 50. And then front sprocket's going to be a 14. And then their X-ring chain's been great, getting over 100 and some hours on this chain, probably about 140 I think on the last one, so they work great. And then got Slavin's Racing hooked me up with Electron, I think it's a 40 millimeter, I believe is what they said, and the +1 cable. So we're gonna have that thing on there, hopefully help with the fuel miles because the 500 likes to eat, and then just super efficient. You know, good crisp throttle response, and it's really good, easily adjustable. I've been talking to the guys at Electron. They've got me a pretty good setup. All right. Headed to the Mr. 500 Spook's house. We're gonna start doing the rebuild, tearing down the 300, and then we're gonna hopefully build some of the 500 today. Shut that old garage door. We're gonna head on out. It's a rainy, nasty day, so ain't really much better to do than go spend some time building a big old 500. We'll open it back up when I get to old Spook's house. Check it out. Look at that. The lake. Man, I tell you what, you gotta love East Tennessee. Even though it is raining. Check this out. I'm trying to watch the roads. I don't know if I'm showing you anything or not. It's beautiful out here, even when it's raining. Hell yeah, we're almost there. It's almost time to get her done.
thought they were made for each other, only thinking of one another, never thinking just for 1 second she would take a different attraction. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. I can't go on without you, I can't go on without you, can't go on without you, yeah. Can't go on without you. So what's the point of breaking my sweetheart? She wanted me to let down my guard. Well, you know what they say, it's better that way, so you better hush and walk away. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, yeah. Oh no. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. I can't go on without you, can't go on without you, oh no.
Make it interesting, you can't see the rocks.
Can't go on without you. I can't go on, won't go on, living on without you. Supposed to wait for you, sweetheart, and hide away the shame. Yes, I keep it all inside. Oh, the thought it crossed my mind to do all the things I regret, and we don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. We don't want them, we don't want them, we don't want them, oh no. I can't go on without you, I can't go on without you, oh no. Go on without you, ooh, I can't go on without you, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, she loves me. She loves me. She loves me. I love you, don't love me. So what is left but a broken man? 'Cause nothing hurts like a woman can. Can't go on without you, can't go on without you, oh yeah. Can't go on without you, I can't go on without you.
always awake. Tear it down piece by piece. Leave me to think. Deep in my structure, I think I still love her, but I need some sleep. You've taken my breath away. Now I want to breathe, 'cause I cannot see what you can see so easily. Leave me in peace, caught in my memories, lost underneath. Deep in my structure, I feel a rupture from where she should be. Yeah. You've taken my breath from me. Now I want to breathe, 'cause I cannot see what you can see so easily. I thought my demons were almost defeated, but you took this side and you pulled them to freedom. They know my secrets and won't let me go, won't let me go. I thought my demons were almost defeated, but you took this side and you pulled them to freedom. I kept your secrets and I thought that you would do the same. Take me away, take me